flat right, 200 flat right, 100 flat left, very long.
Then?
100 right 4 minus.
Copy. I'm going to take it easier for that.
Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 300 flat right, 200 flat right. 100 flat left, very long. Right 4 minus. 100 right 4 minus. 150 flat left, bridge. Right 4 minus. 150 flat left, through bridge.
That was sick.
200 right 6 plus.
Next.
150 brow, 250 left 6 plus. 100 left 6, 80 left 5 tightens to 4, and right 5. 150 flat right, 200 flat right. And right 5, yep. 150 flat right, 200 flat right. Another 200 flat left, long. 250 turn left 2 minus. $250 turn left 2 minus. 150 right 3 plus and crest. 150 crest and right 4 and left 4. And left 4. 150 flat right. 150 crest. 100 caution left 3 into flat right long tight. Left 3 into flat right long tight. 150 brow. Again 150 brow and right 6. 150 right 6. Flat right, correction, flat right.
Okay.
50 crest. 50 crest. 150 flat right. 200 right 6 splash, mid 100, turn right 3 minus. Turn right 3 minus. 200 crest is left 5 minus. Sorry, yes.
Yep.
100 right 5, care 200. Yep.
Yep. Left 5.
Minus out. 100 crest is right 5.
Nope.
Oh,
This
no,
is now
sorry.
the care.
200 care.
Yep.
Left 5 minus out.
Yep.
100 crest is right 5. 80 right into left 4 plus. 150 long crest. 50 left into right 5 flying finish.
That was phenomenal.
Woo!
We took the water splash just right. I was like, how fast do I had time? I'm like, I'm top of 4th. I should probably slow down. I'm like, no, okay.
So you're, what is it called? On the limiter, you're like,
Yeah.
you're,
It wasn't worth shifting to 5th.
okay.
That's the only reason I stayed on 4th
Okay.
limiter. Like,
Yeah.
we're faster there than shifting to 5th and shifting back.
Gotcha.
If it was a longer straightaway, it would be a different story.
That felt really fucking good.
Yeah.
Just